With just 60,000 views, this niche made me more than $300. And the RPM of these types of videos is around $8. Even with fewer views, these channels are making really good income. And if you're wondering which niche this is, just look at this ASMR channel. With just 12 videos, this channel gained more than 70,000 subscribers. And honestly, only 6 videos matter here because the other 6 videos are just random uploads. But after this channel uploaded 6 ASMR videos, it literally blew up. I was completely shocked when I checked their earnings. This channel made more than $57,000 this month just from AdSense revenue alone. And if you also want to make these types of ASMR videos completely free using free AI tools, don't worry, just make sure to watch this video till the end and you'll be able to create these types of AI videos yourself. The only thing you need is these master prompts for creating AI ASMR videos, which I've already provided in the description. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Once you have this master prompt PDF, simply open it here. The first thing you'll see is the analyze prompt. Now just copy this entire first prompt from here, then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. After that, head over to this channel, take a screenshot of the channel name and subscriber count, then come back to ChatGPT and attach it there. Next, go back to the channel again and take screenshots of all these 6 videos so ChatGPT can analyze everything deeply, like title format, thumbnail ideas, and content ideas. Once everything is uploaded, simply hit next. ChatGPT will now start analyzing the channel, and in a few moments, you'll have all the details about what type of content this channel creates. For example, here, ChatGPT tells us that this channel focuses on hidden survival luxury builds in nature, fantasy style, ASMR, calm type of content. Below that, it also shows us the title format, what types of topics this channel covers, and other important details like how to create videos. But you don't need to read everything carefully because I've already integrated all of this into one complete video. Now that ChatGPT has fully analyzed the channel, it's time to generate topic ideas for creating a video. And for that, open the PDF again, and below, you'll see the topic option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Inside the prompt, you can change the number of topics according to your preference. Like I chose 10 here. After that, hit next and ChatGPT will start generating topic ideas to create videos on. As you can see, ChatGPT provided me with 10 topic ideas. Now simply choose one topic on which you want to create a video. For this tutorial, I chose the 3rd topic idea. Once you've selected your topic, it's time to generate a script for that topic. For this, go back to the document again, and below, you'll see the script prompt. Simply copy this entire script prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the first line of the prompt, it asks you to enter your topic. So just copy your chosen topic from above and paste it into the prompt. Below that, it asks how many minutes of script you want. Since this is just a tutorial video, I went with a 2-minute script. Then hit next in ChatGPT. I will start generating a complete script for you without any introduction or bullet points, just a clean copy-paste ready script. This script is not for voiceover, it's only so ChatGPT can understand what types of scenes should appear in the video so it can generate accurate scenes. And once we have our script ready, it's time to generate scenes according to that script. And for that, go back to the PDF again, and below, you can see the scene prompt. Now simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the first line, it again asks for your topic. So simply provide the same topic once more and hit next. ChatGPT will now analyze your entire script and start generating scenes one by one. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT provided me with 32 scenes for my script. Once we have the scenes, we need detailed image prompts to generate images. For that, again, go back to the prompt PDF, and below, you can see the image prompt option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Hit next and ChatGPT will start generating image prompts. In a few seconds, we'll have all our image prompts ready. Now to generate images, simply copy the first image prompt from here, then go to Google and search for Whisk AI. Open the first link you see, then click on Enter Tool here, click on the prompt box and paste your copied prompt. Make sure to select the 16:9 option, then hit Next. Whisk AI. I will start generating images for you. And in a few seconds, you'll get 2 images. Just look at the results. The images are generated very beautifully. To generate the next image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the 2nd image prompt from here. Then go back to Whisk AI, paste it there, and hit Next. Now you'll notice that the image is not exactly what we want because the first image and second image don't match the same scene properly. So here's the trick. First, choose one image from your first generation. Like I chose this one and we'll use this image as a reference. For that, click on the Add Images option here, then simply drag and drop your chosen image as a reference. Wait while it analyzes the image, and once it's done, hit Next. Now it will generate images again, and you'll see that both images have the same background, same texture, and same color temperature. Exactly what we want. Now let's generate the third image as well. Simply remove the previous reference image and add the newly generated image as the reference by dragging and dropping it here. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the third image prompt, paste it into Whisk AI and hit next again. You'll get 2 images with the same texture, lighting, and environment like this. Generate all the images one by one exactly the way I did. I generated all my images using this method. Now simply click on the download option and download each image one by one. And now it's time to convert each image into video using transition prompts, not ordinary prompts, so that the transition from one image to the next feels natural and realistic. For that, we need transition prompts, and for that, open the PDF again, and below, you can see the video prompt section. Now simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. After that, hit next and ChatGPT will start generating all the transition prompts for you. In just a few seconds, you'll have all the transition prompts ready. Now simply copy the first transition prompt from here. Next, open Google and search for Flow, and then click on Create with Flow, and after that, click on New Project. Now click here and choose the frames to video option. Then click on the first plus icon, click on Upload and upload your first image here. Click on Crop and Save. And while the image is uploading, paste your copied transition prompt into the prompt box. Make sure to use these settings for maximum results. Once the first image is uploaded, click on the second plus icon and add your second image here. After both images are uploaded, simply click on Next and it will start generating your video. In a few seconds, your video will be ready. Now play it and see how it looks. The video is exactly what we want, with relaxing ASMR sounds in the background and a smooth, realistic transition between both images. Now let's generate the next video. For that, click on the first plus icon again and add your second image. Then click on the second plus icon and add your third image. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second transition prompt, paste it into the prompt box and hit Next. Now wait for the generation to complete. While it's generating, you can prepare for the next clip. Once it's done, play the video and see how good it looks. Just like this, you can generate all these video clips one by one. Now simply click on the download option and download all the clips one by one. And now it's time to combine all these clips and edit them together. And for that, open any editing software. I opened CapCut here. Now simply click on Import and import all your clips here. Once added, all the clips will already be selected. Now simply increase the scale a little bit so the watermark disappears. Once everything is placed properly, simply click on Export and your video is ready to go. And just like that, you can create these types of ASMR survival videos completely free. Make sure to join Telegram, and until then, keep creating. Bye-bye.